Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious macarons. First, gather your essential ingredients: fine almond flour, powdered sugar, fresh egg whites, and granulated sugar. It's crucial that all your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin. Also, for consistent results, always use a kitchen scale to measure your dry ingredients precisely. This attention to detail is key for perfect macaron shells. Next, let's create the perfect meringue. Start by whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they form soft peaks. Then, slowly add your granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while increasing the mixer speed to high. Continue whipping until the meringue is stiff, glossy, and holds its shape beautifully. This stable meringue is the foundation for airy macaron shells. Now for the macaronage, a crucial step. Gently fold your sifted almond flour and powdered sugar into the meringue. Mix until the batter flows like slow-moving lava, forming a figure 8 without breaking. Then, transfer this beautiful batter into a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe uniform circles, approximately 1½ inches in diameter, onto parchment-lined baking sheets. Finally, the baking process. Allow your piped macaron shells to rest at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes, or until a dry skin forms on top. This prevents cracking. Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the tray halfway through for even baking. Once cooled, fill them with your favorite ganache or buttercream. And hey, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.